How to reset your Dyson Airwrap. Now, since there isn't an actual reset button or function other than unplugging the device itself and waiting for around 30 seconds and just plugging it back in, the other technical option that is somewhat similar to resetting is just cleaning the filter itself. So the filter must be cleaned when the white LED of your Dyson Airwrap starts flashing. So before you start cleaning your device, make sure you unplug the Dyson Airwrap from the outlet. Make sure there's no electricity to it to avoid any injuries and stuff like that, since you will need to power it during this process. But also make sure you have these. So in this case, this will be used to clean the Airwrap, the Dyson Airwrap. So you have the filter mesh, which is inside the device, the filter cleaning brush, which you will use later, and then the filter cage. So we'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to clean your device. So the first one is this here on the left. You slide the filter cleaning brush over the cable onto the filter cage. Using a rotational action, you can clean the filter doing this. So after doing this, you remove the filter cleaning brush, so take it off. The next step is to take off the cage over here. You can go ahead and pull it down directly. Make sure you unlock it as well. So gently pull down the filter cage and slide it off the cable. There's an opening over there, so you can just put it out that way. Next, you can use water to rinse off extra dust from the mesh itself, and after rinsing it with water, make sure you dry it off before putting it into your device to avoid any problems that includes or is related to water stuff. But once you're done with that, you can go ahead and put the mesh over here aside for now, since you're gonna go ahead and clean the filter mesh using the brush, which is this over here, the filter cleaning brush. You can use the filter cleaning brush to clean the filter mesh. So same movement you did with the mesh itself. Once you're done, just go ahead and take off the brush itself and put back the filter cage in. So slide it back in and lock it in place. So basically how you found it in the first place. But that's pretty much how you do a filter clean, or in our case, just a reset, since that's most of the time what you're going to look for. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.